Hi, in this video today is a very quick review of these cheap Amazon scales. These were bought for $4.99. They're currently on Amazon for $5.99. So the price will vary, but they're very cheap. Yet they are good scales. So they will do up to 10 kilograms. That's 10,000 grams in 1 gram increments. And I'm going to compare them to these two Salter, more expensive scales here. And you will see that the weight will be very similar on all of them. It comes with batteries. It takes two AA batteries. But it does come with the batteries. And you turn it on by just hitting this one here. And you've got various different units. So you've got grams, you've got kilograms, you've got pounds, you've got ounces, and you have milliliters for your water, and you've also got milk as well, which is interesting because these are kitchen scales here. And also we can tar it. So if we put a weight on, you can zero it by pressing that button there, and then you can see it will go to 0. And it is nice and accurate, meaning that when you take it off and put it back on again, it will be 0. And just to compare weights, I'm just going to show you against the two Salter ones here. So on this one here, this little dumbbell is 953. If we turn on the two Salter ones, you will see that it will be very similar. So 953 on this one here is coming up as 952, and on this one over here is coming up as 952. So you can see they're within a gram of each other. So you can see it's accurate within a gram or so. Now the size of it is approximately 182 or 3 millimeters by around about 138 millimeters, and the depth, including the feet, is just under 20 millimeters. So they're nice, small, lightweight scales, and they do the job nicely. And it will go all the way up to 10 kilograms. So you can see it's going up in 1 gram increments. And if I keep putting more and more pressure down, it will go all the way to 10. There we go. So if you're interested in the scales, we will put a link down in the description down below. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised given the price of them. Thanks for watching.